Hello guys, how to fix the Mozilla PKIX error OCSP response for certificate missing error on Windows 11 and 10 PC, and such type of message you will receive secure connection failed with error code OCSP. And to fix this issue, the first initial workaround is restart Firefox. Launch Firefox and in search field type about profiles and press enter. It will about profiles in Firefox open, and here from the right side you will find two options: restart with add-ons disabled, restart normally. Click on restart normally. It will restart Firefox and check whether your secure connection failed OCSP error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system and here click on network and sharing center and go to your network connection and make sure that a perfect and strong network connection is available for your running your Mozilla Firefox. So check activity sent and received working properly or not. If not, establish a perfect strong network for your Windows PC. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt, run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator and here execute the command ipconfig flush DNS to clear DNS caches from your Windows PC and as well as browser. Execute this command in command prompt Windows and press enter. It will clear your DNS caches, successfully flush the DNS resolver caches, and check whether your error OCSP error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Press Win+I shortcut key to launch Windows settings, and here from the left side go to privacy and security, click on it. From the right side click on Windows security and here choose virus and threat protection. Click on it. A new window will open. Here from the left side click on three horizontal lines and choose the menu firewall and network protection. Click on it, these three lines, and choose firewall and network protection. Click on it. Firewall and network protection window open. Here go to scroll down. At the bottom of the page you will find restore firewalls to default. Click on it. It will restore your firewalls to default and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again open control panel in your system and choose network and sharing center. Click on it. In control panel window from the left side choose change adapter settings. Click on it. A new window will open. Here all your available network connection is visible. Right click on your network connection and choose properties. Here under network connections go to internet protocol version 4 IPv4. Select it and choose properties. Thereafter make a check against option use the following DNS server address and under preferred DNS server type 8888 and alternate DNS server 8844 and finally press OK. To change Google DNS server, it will also fix your issue and check whether your issue is resolved or not. If not, one more settings is launch Firefox browser on your Windows PC. Here click on three horizontal lines from the top right corner and choose settings. Clear browser caches and cookies. Go to privacy and security from the left side. Here scroll down and you will find the option cookies and site data. Click on clear data. Your stored cookies, site data and caches are currently using some space, so clear data. Make the check against all the option history, cookies and site data and other, and choose a time frame, everything. Choose a time frame, everything, and finally click on clear. All selected items will be cleared. This action cannot be undone. So choose clear to clear browsing history, caches and cookies from your Firefox browser, and it will definitely help you to resolve your issue.